Hello, and welcome to Brainfuse. This video tutorial will provide an overview of both JobNow and VetNow. JobNow is Brainfuse's premier online suite of job assistance services. VetNow is Brainfuse's service for veterans of the United States Armed Forces who are transitioning into civilian and professional life. Let's begin by reviewing JobNow. JobNow provides users with live online assistance in interview preparation or live help with career documents like resumes, cover letters, or CVs. You can access live job coaching with one of our Brainfuse job experts by clicking Connect under the Live Job Coaching header. The Resume Lab offers an easy way for users to get feedback on or tips regarding their resumes from one of our Brainfuse resume coaches. By clicking Submit Resume, you can attach your resume along with any comments you might have and send them to our coaches for review. Under Tools for Job Seekers, users have access to several useful features. Live resume coaching and live interview coaching are available for any user entering the workforce who would like assistance in interview preparation or live help with their resume building. eParachute is an area where users can build a profile based on a series of career-related questions, which then generate specific resources for career preparation, aptitude, job postings, and much more based on the answers. Brainfuse also provides its own list of national and local job resources, which are customized to your institution's area. Also included in the list of tools for job seekers are resume templates and resources, as well as interview tips and interview resources, which you can feel free to explore at your own pace for self-guided assistance in these areas. Optimal Resume is also available for users, which allows you to create resumes, cover letters, and portfolios in a sleek, easy-to-use system. This also offers the ability to host a website to place all of this professional content for the ease of your potential employer. Let's turn our attention now to VetNow. VetNow provides users with live online assistance in navigating the complicated bureaucratic process of receiving benefits from the Veterans Administration, as well as assistance in locating local and national resources for veterans in healthcare, education, job placement, and much more. Our VetNow navigators can be accessed by clicking on the Connect link found under the Live Veteran Navigators. From here, you will be brought into a one-to-one whiteboard session to receive immediate assistance from a navigator. If you would like to ask a question from one of our VetNow navigators but do not want to enter a live session, you can click on the Send Question link here, found under Tools for Veterans. You can also freely take a look at some nationwide and area-specific resources for veterans by clicking on Veterans Resources. Here, you will find a plethora of links to resources in healthcare, housing, and more. Offered with JobNow and VetNow are several features related to college skills. Under the Skill Surfer, you can take practice tests, watch video lessons, review text lessons, and much more, broken down by category and by subject for your ease. In addition, you will find Career Prep and Job Resources area, which contains a multitude of information and practice tests tailored towards certain careers and job opportunities. Flashbulb allows users to create and view flashcards and other fun studying games. The Meet feature allows users to schedule online sessions using Brainfuse Whiteboard as virtual conference room. Users are able to create movie-like notes based on previous live sessions and send them to anyone through the Brainwave option. The Brainfuse Adult Learning Center is the most comprehensive tutoring suite available for adult learners. The Adult Learning Center features live online tutoring in a variety of academic subjects, skills building, and much more. Lastly, if you would like to create a Brainfuse account to access our full suite of features, several tools become available to you. On the top right of the home page, while logged in, you will notice your username in this area, here. By hovering over it, you will be able to access several account features paired with specific Brainfuse services, which can greatly assist you in keeping track of your progress and work. My Past Sessions lets you view any past live expert help session you have taken part in. My Message Center is where you will go to access reviews from the Resume Lab or responses from Send Question. In addition, My Message Center also lists all files the user may have sent to a tutor during a live tutoring session. My Tests shows you the names and results of the tests you've taken in the Skill Surfer. This area also provides you the option to retake previously completed tests. My Calendar displays any scheduled meet sessions for the user and allows the user to enter a scheduled meet session. My Brainwaves shows the user all previously created brainwaves. In addition, a user is able to resend or edit any previously created brainwave in this area. Finally, My Cloud Pack allows users to save files they are working on to their Brainfuse account, which can be accessed at any time across multiple devices. If you have any questions, please email info@brainfuse.com. Thank you.